Good evening. Welcome to the demo video of Sentinel Pharmacy software and ecosystem. This is a widely used ecosystem in pharmacy industry. You can create multiple user accounts for your staff member and give them different access levels. So if you don't want your staff to play around with the stock or see the end of the day sales or open cash draw without any reason, you can restrict them, and later in this video I'll show you how you can do this. uh, you can give them staff clock in clock out cards, or you can make the key fobs or wristband to log in into the software, or if you don't want to use cards or key fobs, you can just give them the code which they can use to enter on this screen and log in to take the order. Once you're on the ordering page, there are two types of product, one that has the barcode and one that don't have the barcode. So this software comes with about 89,000 products pre-installed. So most of the pharmacy products should be inside already. So if you scan something like any over-the-counter medicine or any toothpaste or pharmacy item, it should come automatically. So let me start by scanning something. So as soon as you scan something which is in the system, if the product has the price, it will automatically come into the card. So let me find the product that is into the system, because I'm making this demo on my desktop computer rather than on Epos. So I can't scan the product, but let me find a scanner and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I've copied the barcodes. As soon as you scan the barcode, the product will go into the card. If the price is not right, you can very quickly change the price. So you can just go to price change and you can change the price to whatever you want. For example, £6, and press save, and it will be saved. So if I scan this product again, it will go to the card. If you take the order by mistake, you can use the delete button to delete the product. If customer is taking same item multiple times, for example, they're taking 5 quantity, you can do 5 and then times and then scan the product. It will do the quantity 5, or you can use the quantity button to do the quantity to whatever you want, and it will change the quantity as well. It automatically calculates your VAT. If you are a VAT registered, it also calculates the stock level. So if the product has a particular stock, for example, this product, let me activate the stock as well. So if I see this product at the moment 100 in stock, and because stock is not activated, it's not reducing the stock level. So let me activate the stock and then I'll show you how it's gonna work. So active stock, and it's activated now. So if I sell something now, for example, this one I'm selling 77, pay and customer. Once you press the pay button, the software will come to the finish page, which will show if the customer is paying cash or card. So in this finish page, you have option to do cash or credit card. If you press cash, if customer, let's say, giving you 500 cash, and then if you want to print receipt, turn it on and it will stay on unless you turn it back off, and every time it will print receipt. Or if you usually don't print the receipt, then leave it off. You can also email the receipt to customer. You need to set up the email, and you can email the receipt to customer as well. Once you press cash, it will open the cash drawer, show you the change screen, and then print the receipt if the receipt print button is on. And now if we go to the stock and see the stock level for, so see it's showing 23 in stock because we sold 77 stock already. If you want to add more stock, you can just enter, for example, 500 more in stock, and then you obviously you need to be in manager level to show all this feature. On the bottom, it shows you the total value of the stock, of all the stock in your shop. For everything, it shows the total value of the stock and then the total retail value as well. If the product don't have a barcode, for example, this carrier bag, you can just simply click the button and it will go to the card. If you're selling something miscellaneous for £5, you can do 500 in pence and click miscellaneous, and then it will go to the card. Because we activate the stock, it's not allowing us to sell a product that is not in the stock. So I've deactivated it. So 8.90, £8.90 miscellaneous, it will go to the card as well. Again, when you want to finish, press finish. If you're paying cash, you press cash. If you're paying credit card, you can do credit card as well. Our ecosystem are integrated with all major card machines, including Barclays, Payment Sense, Evo Payment, Viva Wallet, Elavon, Santander, WorldPay. So if you are using any of these card machine, then you need to just call us and we will integrate the card machine with these company. And then what will happen? You don't need to do anything on the card machine when you're finishing the order. For example, if the order is £9.35, as soon as you press the credit card button, this total amount will go automatically to the card terminal and you will see all the status on the screen rather than looking on the card terminal. If it's approved or not, you can see on the ePOS screen what's the status of the transaction. So if I press the credit card button now, I've connected the card terminal already. So if I press credit card, it will show all the status here. So on my card machine is showing the total amount, which is £9.35. Now, because it's a touch card, so I'll just touch the card to the card terminal now. So it's processing on card terminal, is saying waiting for connection, receiving, and it shows the same status on your screen as well. And once the transaction is approved, it will show you accepted and then finish the order, print the receipt, the card receipt. And you don't need to print the receipt from the card machine. On the EPOS machine, it prints all the card data as well. Like when you go to the Tesco and Asda, they will show on the receipt that what's the last four digit of the card, and if it's a Visa card or MasterCard and authentication code, everything will come up on a EPOS terminal receipt as well. If you forgot to print any order and customer come back and you want to print the order, you can always go to the order list. In the order list, you will see all the previous order. You can click on it and then you can reprint the order as well. From here, if you want to issue a refund, for example, customer come back and he want to do a refund, you can just double click on the order and click on refund button. Then if you want to refund a partial order, if you want to refund full order, you can click refund and you can refund the full order. And if you want to do the partial, you can do the partial refund as well. Both options are available here. So it will ask you what's the reason of refund, which is optional, and then how you're going to refund. If it's a credit card refund, you can just do credit card refund because we took this order as a cash, so it will only allow us to refund in a cash as well. So we will do a refund in a cash and it will print the refund receipt for the customer as well and show the order here as refunded as well. And at the end of the day, if we go to the manager and see the reports, at the end of the day report, it will show the refunded total amount as well. So total refund is 1,462. The gross sale is £32.70. You can print this end of the day receipt. You can export it to Excel. You can save it as a PDF, or you can email it to yourself as well. You can see sales by department. You can see sales by product as well. So if you want to see what you sold during the January 10th to January 10, it will show you how many carrier bags you sold or how many miscellaneous item you sold. So you can see sales by department or sales by product. You can also see sales by staff, hourly sales, top selling products, top selling department, cancel order history. If your staff is canceling the order, you can see all the cancel order history. If your staff is opening the cash draw, you can see who opened the cash draw without any sale, what was the reason and everything. User wages. So if you're recording, if you're using ecosystem as a clock in, clock out as well, you can see how much you owe to your staff, their wages, and how many number of hours they work. So you can see low stock product, the products that are running low in stock, and then you can set a order level. For example, if you have, if you're selling, let's say, can of Pepsi and you got 100 in stock, and you set the reorder value to 10. When the Pepsi, when you sold 90 Pepsi, it will automatically start showing you on the screen that the Pepsi is low in stock, and it will also put the Pepsi in a purchase order automatically if you want to. You can also generate the purchase order. You can manage all your suppliers from here. In the customers, if you're giving credit, you can create a new customer. You can assign them a credit limit, and then you can give them a credit as well, which is optional. Most of the pharmacy, they don't sell anything on credit. If you want software to automatically log, if the multiple cashier are using the same system, you can configure the software to log out automatically so the new cashier can log in. So what you can do, you can activate auto logout. Now what will happen if you sell something, as soon as you press cash, the software will log out automatically, and then the new user can log in and take the order as well. You can create multiple user account by going to the manager users. In the users at the moment we just created 2 accounts. So if you want to create another account, you can simply just write the username, which group to assign. Is it admin or the staff, or you can create more groups as well. You can assign them the code, for example, whatever code you want to give them, you can assign them 5555, for example, and then you can assign their hourly pay rate, whatever the pay rate is, if you want to record their salary and how many hours they work. Everything else, the national insurance number, address, name, these are optional, email address, uh, and then you press save and it will be created as well. So this new account is now created. In the employee access, you can create a group. For example, the staff group, they only have the access to change price and to increase the quantity and to view the order and take the order. They don't have any other access, like they can't open the cash draw. So all these accesses are for the manager. So if there is no cache to access to the staff, and if I log in with the staff account, which is the password is I think 0000. If I log in with the staff account, what will happen? It will not allow me to open the cache draw. So at the moment, if I click the cache draw button, it's allowing me to open it. But if I log in with the staff password, which is 0000, and I click on cache draw button, it will ask me the manager password. And when I enter the manager password, it will let me open the cache draw. Otherwise, if I enter any other password, it will say no access. Also with the staff password, I can't go to the manager area. I can't see the end of the day sales. I can't see the stock level. So there are lots of feature in this software which is very difficult to explain in just one demo video, but I'm trying to explain all the key features. So let's say you're taking an order and during the order customer is still thinking, you can put the order on hold. You can serve the second customer paid £6 cash, and then you can always come back to the software and you can go to the hold where you will see all the orders on hold. You can double click on any order and then you can continue from the place you left the order as well. The card machine is offline, so let me do the cash. So this is how the software works. With this button you can reprint the last order as well. If you want to give discount, you can give discount using this discount button on total order, or you can do a discount in percentage or in amount, both. So discount feature is there. If you want to edit something, you can write something with the product name. So all the features you can think of is here. Also, you can create the offers as well. So for example, we are selling this Pampers for £6, but you are running an offer that if somebody is buying 3 Pampers, instead of £18, it's going to be £15. So we can easily go to manager, pause, we can go to offers, we can create a new offer, write the offer name, for example, Pampers offer, and then on what quantity this offer will trigger 3. What's the discount? The discount is £3 discount, and then you search, add the product in the offer and press save. So now what will happen as soon as let me clear everything so I can start from scratch. So as soon as I scan one time, it's showing £6. If I scan 2 times, it's £12. As soon as I scan the third time, it will automatically give £3 as a discount and make the total £15, and it will print on the receipt like when you purchase from Asda or Tesco. On the bottom of the receipt, it will show multi-buy offer, and then give the £3 as a discount. It will show on the receipt as well. So it's very user-friendly software. We don't charge anything monthly unless you want to subscribe to our optional support contract, which is £12 a month. But because it's very easy to use software, most of the people, they don't subscribe for the monthly fee and they keep using it. There is no license fees to use. It's a lifetime license. We have currently 2 models, the Korean make, which comes with 5 years warranty, £1,250, and then the Chinese make that comes with 1 year warranty, £950. Both models comes with a scanner, printer, cash draw, and we will program everything. We will come down to you. We will fit everything, provide your staff the training. My company is called Sentinel Epos. You can go on Google and see Sentinel Epos and Solutions Limited, and you can read our reviews. Loads of pharmacy customers using this software and ecosystem, and we are the only company with 4.9 stars on Google. So if you search on Google Sentinel Epos, uh, you will see 119 reviews, Sentinel Epos, and then you can see the newest one or whatever you want. The good thing about the reviews, all the reviews are left by legit customers, and if you see on a reply, I've written down the customer name, so you're welcome to call any of these customer to see if they are happy with our ecosystem or not. So I hope you like the software, and please let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see from there. Thank you.